Hello everyone, I'm Jackie Outlaw, the Director of Financial Aid at Yale Law School. I'm going to spend a few minutes discussing some financial aid basics. I want to note at the outset that financial aid is both very individual and quite complicated, so there is a lot I won't be able to cover. I encourage you to visit our website where we have a lot more information available. At the heart of the financial aid program at YLS are a few key values. First and foremost, all of our aid is need-based. In other words, we allocate our resources to those who need them the most. Second, we understand that individual circumstances vary significantly and change over time, so we try to be very flexible and responsive to each person's circumstances. Finally, we want our financial aid programs to allow students and graduates to have maximal career flexibility. Turning now to our array of financial aid programs, I'm going to begin by discussing academic year aid. Academic year aid is based on the difference between the cost of attendance and family resources, which are a combination of student, parent, and spouse contributions. The cost of attendance includes tuition, fees, and the cost of living. Depending on the resources of the student and their family, we will calculate an individualized award, which usually includes both loans and scholarship. We are a full need school, which means that our financial aid award will cover each student's demonstrated need. For our highest need students, we have the groundbreaking Hearst Horizon Scholarship Program. This scholarship provides full tuition scholarships to those students whose family's income is below 200% of the federal poverty line with typical assets. Our goal is to ensure that these students are able to thrive in law school by lessening the debt they are incurring, especially since many of them are providing support to their families. Our loan repayment program, the Career Options Assistance Program, which we call COPE, provides a critical form of back-end scholarships to our graduates. At its core, YLS pays back our graduates' law school loans if their income is below a certain threshold. COPE has a number of key features, and I'll just mention a few. First, eligibility is tied to income. We don't require our graduates to work in public interest job or even in a law-related job. Second, we use a 15-5 amortization schedule over 10 years. While the details are too much for this video, suffice it to say that this feature allows graduates to stay in the program longer, even as their salary goes up over time. Third, COPE encourages retirement saving and is also family-friendly, including allowing parental leave, deductions for child care, and deductions for each dependent child. Finally, we allow graduates up to 10 years of eligibility in COPE, and this does not have to be consecutive. Graduates can enter the program anytime within 10 years of graduation. I also want to briefly mention a couple other financial aid programs. First, our Summer Public Interest Funding, or SPIF. SPIF provides a stipend to 1L and 2L students who are working in unpaid nonprofit or government positions during the summer. And our Safety Net Fund provides support to students facing unanticipated emergency expenses. I hope that this has given you a small taste of the wide array of financial aid programs at YLS.